Ever wondered if your savings account could be doing more for you? Thinking face, are you tired of seeing meager returns on your hard-earned cash in a traditional bank, barely enough to buy a cup of coffee at the end of the year? What if I told you there's a way to make your money work smarter, not just harder, by earning significantly more interest? Well, you're in the right place, because today, we're diving deep into the world of Ally's high-yield savings account and exploring exactly how it can supercharge your savings. For years, traditional banks have been the go-to for most people. You deposit your money, it sits there, and you earn a tiny, almost negligible amount of interest. But with the rise of online banking, a new breed of savings accounts has emerged: high-yield savings accounts. And leading the pack for many is Ally Bank. So, what makes Ally's high-yield savings account so special, and how does it actually work to give you better returns? Let's break it down. The core concept: high-yield, online convenience. At its heart, an Ally high-yield savings account, HYSA, is designed to offer significantly higher interest rates compared to what you'd typically find at a brick-and-mortar bank. Why can they do this? It's simple economics. Ally is an online-only bank. They don't have the massive overhead costs associated with maintaining physical branches, like rent, utilities, and a large branch staff. These savings are then passed on to you, the customer, in the form of more competitive interest rates. Think of it like this: a traditional bank is a fancy restaurant with high rent and many waiters, so their prices are higher. Ally is a fantastic online delivery service, fewer overheads, so they can offer better value for your money. Now, when we talk about high yield, we're talking about the annual percentage yield, or APY. This isn't just the stated interest rate. The APY takes into account the effect of compounding interest. Ally's interest compounds daily and is credited monthly. What does that mean? It means your interest earns interest. Each day, the interest your money generates is added to your principal, and the next day, that slightly larger principal earns even more interest. It's a snowball effect that helps your money grow faster over time. While the rates are variable and can change with market conditions, Ally consistently aims to offer an APY that's substantially higher than the national average for savings accounts. Key features that make Ally stand out. Beyond the compelling APY, Ally's high-yield savings account comes packed with features designed to make saving easier and more efficient. No fees, no minimums. One of the most attractive aspects of Ally's HYSA is its transparency and lack of hidden costs. There are no monthly maintenance fees and no minimum balance requirements to open the account or to earn the advertised APY. This is a huge win, especially for those just starting their savings journey or who don't have a large lump sum to deposit up front. Many traditional banks often require a certain minimum balance to waive monthly fees, which can eat into your savings. With Ally, every dollar you save is working for you, not against you. Digital tools for smart saving. Ally truly excels in its digital offerings. Since it's an online-only bank, they've invested heavily in creating a user-friendly online platform and mobile app that makes managing your money a breeze. Savings buckets. This is a fan-favorite feature. Instead of one big savings pot, Ally allows you to create up to 30 buckets within your single high-yield savings account. Each bucket can be earmarked for a specific savings goal, whether it's a down payment for a house, a new car, a dream vacation, an emergency fund, or even holiday gifts. This visual organization helps you track progress toward multiple goals simultaneously and keeps you motivated. It's like having multiple digital envelopes for your money, but all earning high interest in one account. Boosters. Ally also offers boosters to help you save even more effectively. These include Surprise Savings. This feature analyzes your linked checking account for safe to save money and automatically transfers small, undetectable amounts to your Ally savings. It's a hands-off way to grow your savings without even thinking about it. Round UPS. Similar to other apps, this rounds up your debit card purchases to the nearest dollar and transfers the difference to your savings. Small change, big impact over time. Recurring transfers. You can easily set up automatic, recurring transfers from your linked checking account to your Ally savings account. This is the cornerstone of consistent saving. Set it and forget it. Cash flow monitoring. Their online tools help you visualize your income and expenses, making it easier to identify areas where you can save more. Accessibility and transfers. Even though there are no physical branches, accessing your money with Ally is surprisingly convenient. Electronic transfers. You can easily link your Ally account to external checking accounts at other banks. Transfers in and out are straightforward, though they typically take 1 to 3 business days to process, similar to other online transfers. Mobile check deposit. The Ally mobile app allows you to deposit checks simply by taking a picture of them with your smartphone. It's quick, easy, and saves you a trip to a physical bank. ATM access. While Ally doesn't have its own ATMs, it's part of the Allpoint ATM network, providing access to over 43,000 fee-free ATMs nationwide. Plus, Ally reimburses you up to $10 per statement cycle for fees charged at out-of-network ATMs in the U.S., which is a nice safety net. No cash deposits. This is one limitation to be aware of. As an online bank, Ally doesn't accept cash deposits. If you primarily deal in cash, you'd need to deposit it into another bank account first and then transfer it to Ally. Transaction limits. Like most savings accounts, Ally's HYSA is subject to federal regulations, Regulation D. Although it's been suspended, banks still often adhere to it for their own policies that limit certain withdrawals and transfers to 10 per statement cycle. Exceeding this limit might result in fees or even account conversion to a checking account, though Ally is generally lenient and aims to avoid penalizing customers unless it becomes a recurring issue. Security and support. When it comes to your money, security is paramount. Ally Bank is FDIC insured, meaning your deposits are protected up to $250,000 per depositor, per ownership category, in case the bank fails. This provides the same level of protection as a traditional bank. Ally also offers 24/7 customer service via phone, chat, and email, which is a significant advantage for an online bank. This ensures you can get help whenever you need it, not just during limited branch hours. How to get started with Ally's high-yield savings account. Opening an Ally high-yield savings account is a straightforward process that typically takes just a few minutes. Visit Ally's website, head to ally.com and navigate to their savings account section. Apply online. You'll need to provide some basic personal information, including your name, address, social security number, and date of birth. Fund your account. You can fund your new Ally account by linking an external bank account for an electronic transfer, setting up direct deposit, or mailing a check. Remember, no minimum deposit is required to open the account. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.